Hello, my name is Yashika Thakur and currently I am interning at 8bits. The curriculum helped me strengthen my fundamentals in tech and design as well. Because of it, I was prepared for my actual interview. We usually used to work in many projects related to front-end, where we used to use HTML, CSS, JavaScript and Figma, which helped me prepare for my interview. I'm doing role as UI UX designer, and where I will be designing the user interface and make it more user-friendly. GitHub projects and hackathons like Pivot, which was for design, which helped me strengthen my resume. We really had very much exposure to industry and real-world tools, which helped us during our interviews, our projects, and our resume. These interviews gave me clarity and boosted my confidence and prepared me for the actual interviews. The most exciting moments which we had were the hackathons where we participated, and the most exciting one was the Pivot hackathon where we really had a good experience and we really learned a lot. I will suggest you focus on your interest and take the subject which you like and study consistently.